Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile with the top 5 things to look for in today's newsletter. Now, I'm a little flustered at the moment because this is like my 10th take of this newsletter. It is so jam-packed with information, and I just keep talking that it was like at 12 or 13 minutes. So I was like, okay, got to cut this back. So now I'm talking, and I'm not even getting to the point. So I am going to be talking quickly today, and let's get to the point. Let's start with Malabrigo. We all love Malabrigo, and we just got a new shipment in of Malabrigo. We have lots of different weights in, lots of different styles, but of course, most people's favorite is always the Machida. People love the Machida. And for the first 20 people that purchase a hank of Machida, we actually have this great pattern that we will send you for free. It is not a digital copy, it is a printed copy, but we will gift it to you simply for purchasing 1 hank of the Machida. Now, we also got a shipment in of addiExpress Kingsize knitting machines. We had a lot of people on our waiting list. We've gone through all of those, and we still have machines to spare. So that is really, really awesome. This knitting machine, for those people who don't know what it is, it's made by Addie. It is a circular knitting machine. However, it also knits panels. So what does that mean to you? It means you don't only have to knit hats and scarves, but you can also knit sweaters. And if you're wondering, well, if I get the machine, how do I know how to knit a sweater? Well, guess what? There's a book. Hannah Mann, she's an employee at Skacel. She just wrote this fabulous book, extremely detailed, and it's called The Essential Guide to Machine Knitting with the addiExpress Kingsize. And she goes through from start to finish, so from the time that you open your box, what all the different parts are, what they do, and so on, all the way to creating a sweater. So she starts with a basic hat, there's cowls, there's bags, there's a whole bunch of different things in there. It's an excellent book. There is one thing though, right now it's only available as a digital copy, so you're going to want to make sure that you have a tablet or a computer to look at it on. It's going to be awfully small if you put it on your phone, but it is a digital copy, and it's an excellent book, and I'd highly recommend it if you already have a machine or if you're looking to get a machine. Now, what kind of yarn runs through the machine? Glad you asked. Our Simply Worsted from Haiku runs through the machine beautifully. This is a worsted weight yarn. It is 55% merino, and then the balance of it is actually acrylic and nylon. So if you are not a fan of anything synthetic and you have to have everything natural, this is not for you. However, if you are the kind of person who knits items for people who have a tendency to throw them in the washer and dryer, then this is for you, because this durable yarn, look, I'm talking so fast, I just keep slurring. This durable yarn actually can be machine washed and tumble dried. So what's better than that? How about 78 colors to choose from? I mean, here's just 4 shades of orange. Now, I know not everybody loves orange as much as I do. I just adore orange, but we also have lots of shades of reds and greens and yellows and everything else. Plus, we have some marled colors, and we also have some variegated colors to choose from. And it's 20% off all through the end of this month. So that's through November 30th, 20% off of the Simply Worsted yarn. Don't forget, it runs beautifully through the machine as well. So those are those items. Now, we also have a phenomenal fabric today. I'm just in love with this fabric, although it's really heavy. That's because it is actually a denim, and it is a 10-ounce denim. So it's a 10-ounce textured denim. Here you can see the inside of it. That's the outside, although you could use either side. It's 100% cotton. It's made by AGF. It is 58 inches or 60 inches wide, and right now it's 15% off. So you're going to be purchasing it for right under $12 a yard. If you are into making jeans or jean jackets, this is perfect for you. But I also think it would make a great, really big tote, you know, like the big IKEA bags, so you could carry your whole Costco load in there. Great material. Now, we also have a new class coming up. If you are one of the people who has troubles with brioche, guess what? Faina Goberstein is teaching a class for us on December 15th on how to fix your mistakes in brioche. What a brilliant class is that? I think that is one question that people are always asking. And right now it's sort of hard to go into your yarn shop and ask for help because you got to keep your 6 feet distance or your 8 feet distance, or maybe your shop isn't even open. So check out our class with Faina Goberstein on how to fix brioche stitches on December 15th. Also want to mention, yes, we are open. Our shop is open despite everything that's going on. We are now only allowed to have 25% capacity in here. If you've been in our shop, you'll know that's not a problem. We have 5,000 square feet, so we welcome you to come in. Just be sure and either check our website or call us for hours, because we are going to be changing our hours since this new lockdown has happened. We are finding that we have less people coming in, so we'll be switching our hours just slightly to accommodate for that. Now, on next Friday, that is actually our 8-year anniversary. We can't have a big party like we do in general. We like to have lots of prizes, and we like to have lots of people, and we usually have food, and we have drink and merriment and everything else. We can't do that this year. So we're going to be having a Zoomiversary. What are the details on that? Well, we don't know exactly yet, but it is going to be on Tuesday's newsletter, and I'll be talking all about our Zoomiversary then. One thing that I do know is that we'll be having door prizes. We'll be having a different Zoom event every hour. Do you have to attend the Zoom event to get the deals? Because we're going to have lots of deals. It's our anniversary, got to have deals. No, you do not have to attend the Zoom event to do that. However, if you do attend the Zoom event, there will be some door prizes and things like that for attending the Zoom events. That, I think, is all that I'm going to go through and make it through for today's newsletter. I will talk to you again on Tuesday. In the meantime, enjoy the weekend. Do something creative, not only because it's fun, but because it's so fulfilling. And if you really want to make yourself feel good, then do something for charity. You know, make a couple of hats to donate or something like that. I know whenever I make something that I can give to somebody who really needs it, it makes me feel better. I think that's it for today. See you Tuesday. Ciao.